Hi, I want to know the fuse location of Bosch washing machine to replace it. Can I get help on this?
Is your Bosch washer top or front loading? How old is it?
It's front loading.
How long has this been going on with your Bosch washer? What have you tried so far?
No power is shown. I need to check the fuse of the washing machine.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Just stopped working.
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. Sorry to hear that you are having this trouble. The site is going to send an automatic phone call offer. It is not for me, please disregard the offer. I am not available via the phone. Sorry to hear that you are having trouble with your Bosch washer. What seems to be going on with the unit this evening?
My Bosch washing machine classics, just stopped running, is shown no sign of power. The electrical power line is working no problem. 12:51 p.m. here. The washing machine Bosch Classics just stopped running, no sign of power. The power line to the machine is okay. This is shine.
The last load that was washed, did it drain all the water? Have you tried unplugging your appliance for 5 minutes to do a hard reset yet? If unplugging is not easy to do, turning off the breaker for 5 minutes does the same thing.
I just want to know how to check the fuse of the machine. It seems fuse broken, as the machine worked very well, just stopped running and no sign of power.
Depending on your model, it's not likely a bad fuse but a bad control board, sadly. However, if the water did not drain out of the last load, this would cause no signs of power.
It's right, the water didn't drain out, and no signs of power.
Okay, so if the water did not drain out, that is the problem. Your drain pump underneath the washer is clogged and causing this to happen. Once the clog is removed, the power will restore. This will require cleaning the water out of the tub with a shop vac or something along those lines. Then the washer needs laid down on its side, the hose taken off the drain pump, and cleaned out. Once this happens, you put the hose back on and restart, and you should be up and running again.
I just drained out, all the water remained inside, still no signs of power. I will check the tub, but what's a shop vac means?
How did you drain the water out?
Okay, I will follow your instruction and see what happened, thank you. I just drained off the water via the plug tube under the machine, I know it.
You are very welcome. Yeah, just lay the washer down on its side, take the hose off the drain pump and clean it out. Then reinstall and you should be good to go.
By the way, what's a shop vac? I will do that and see how is going, thank you.
It's a vacuum that just sucks up and can suck up water and put it into a canister without damaging it.
Understand. Thank you, to you after my work.
Not a problem at all. IT's been my pleasure to be of assistance with you today.
My question was solved, thank you for your help.
I am so glad to hear it. Thanks for letting me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.